Hey there, Andrew here. So today React team released a new major version, React 18. And now I show you how to do a fast update to React 18 and also upgrade the Typescript types. So first we will create fast Vite project. Let's name it React 18. Let's use React Typescript cd react 18, install dependencies, nice. Let's open VS Code here. Okay, so to update to React 18 we will need to update the React and React DOM dependencies, because Vite by default, the template that creates the project, is outdated. We will need manually to install the latest version. This will change the version to 18. And now we have to do one more thing, because React 18 introduces a new API. So this React DOM render, it's no more available. It's available, but it's to enable the React 18 actually you should use, instead of React DOM, you should use actually React DOM client, and instead of React DOM render you should use create root, and you need to apply it in a way like this. Let's do root equals create root, and we will need to, let's extract this element. Let's put in a check if, and we need to create a root using that element. And after that, for this root we can call render method, and here inside we put the application code like this, and this can be removed. And for the React library, to make it available, so now if we will go here and for example we will use the new hook use ID, it won't be here. To fix that we need to go to the tsconfig file. In the compiler options we need to add the types field, and here we should include react/next. This will include the types React already includes the types for React 18, but they are in a different file, in this one next, so we need to include it. And now if we go here we see that we have this method useID that returns a string. That's all.